What the fuck, Astro?
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm about to do a quick get ready with me soft glam edition because I'm going to a watch party. This is basically for the football game today. So this football game will already have happened when this video is up. So we're just gonna hop right into it because I don't have that much time. So to prep my skin, I'm gonna be using my Florence by Mills. I've been loving this moisturizer. It's very lightweight, airy, so it doesn't like feel like it's heavy on my skin, and my skin doesn't feel like it's like still dry when I use it. It definitely does the job. I have like a fat pimple right now. I'm on my period and my skin is like freaking out. So for primer, I'm using the Laura Mercier foundation primer. And this is the hydrating version of this one because your girl don't like her skin to be dry at all. Like, I have pretty normal skin, but I definitely love to add an extra set of hydration on top of my skin. It just makes your makeup look 10 times smoother. So right now I've been loving this foundation. It is the Beauty Bakery Instabake Aqua Glass foundation, and y'all, it's like my top favorite. It's like super it's thin, but it's also full coverage, so it doesn't like feel super heavy and tight on your skin. And I just like to take a flat top brush. I don't know why I've been using flat top brushes, but I feel like they give more coverage on the skin. So, and I'm just patting this all over. I just really love the way this looks on my skin. Like, my skin still looks like skin. Before I forget, gotta put some lip balm on while I do my makeup, because if I wait, my lips gonna be crusty and dusty. And then after I've applied my foundation, I like to take a beauty blender and just kind of push my foundation into my skin, because if I use a beauty blender to apply my makeup, it just kind of, I feel like it takes off a lot of it, and I don't want that because this foundation is already watery. So we're just gonna set everything. Look at that, that pimple is disgusting. I'm gonna highlight and contour my face. Here lately, I've been using the Juvia's Place highlighters, not highlighters, foundation sticks to contour, and I've been using like concealer. I've been doing basically like a cream contour because I just like the way it looks. So to start off, I'm concealing with my Juvia's Place concealer in the number 13. Because this is a soft glam look, we're going for like full coverage but not too much coverage. Yeah, so now I'm taking shade 18 and I'm putting that right on top of it, because with these concealers, for some reason, the shades in between 13 and 18 are like pink. Nothing's like truly yellow besides these two. So, and now I'm gonna take the foundation stick in Benin, I think is the location. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And then I like to put a little bit on the side of my nose, or when I contour my nose. Then I blend my highlights into my contour.
What the fuck, Astro?
I don't like to blend my nose out until I've done like the rest of my face, because sometimes it be coming out looking a little wonky. This is a new brush because I needed another one, but this is the Real Techniques Expert Face brush, and I'm using this to blend out my contour. My contour is more like a bronze, which I love because I do go on top of this with a bronzer that's slightly like darker than, of course, my actual bronze shade. Now for my nose, I use this Morphe E62 brush. It looks like this. It's one of my favorites. Ever since I bought it, I've literally used this to blend out my nose contour. Now I'm just gonna blend my nose. All right, now that my base is done, I'm going to go in and set everything with my Beauty Bakery setting powder. And it's the Flower Better Not Bitter setting powder. This is like one of my favorite setting powders because it's like so thin. Like, do y'all see that? Like, that's the point. You can't see that. I'm literally barely, I'm using, I mean, a decent amount, but the fact that you can't see it as I'm applying it is everything. I'm kind of over the whole, like, I bake slightly, but not intensely anymore. I typically just kind of like bake the lower part of my face because your girl got a round head. All right, now to set my contour, I'm gonna use the Hoola Caramel. This is the Cheek Leader Bronze Squad palette, and I'm using this one right here. This is a crown brush. It's a C405 contour brush, and this is like perfect for contouring because it's dense, but it's not too dense. And I just take this and go across the side of my nose and on the tip. And you see how just like it slenders everything? Yeah. Now for blush, y'all should already know by now, I use this Juvia's Place palette. And this orange peach shade right smack here is my blush color because it's like the perfect amount of warmth and it's just bomb. Your girl don't like pink blush on me. Like, that shit's just not cute. Go in and put some eyeshadow on, but first I need to do my eyebrows because they completely disappeared. I am terrible. I'm so sorry. I'm using the Goof Proof brow pencil in number 5 because I was asleep on this bad boy for a while. I don't know why, but I just wouldn't use it because I feel like anytime I blended my product out with this one, my crispness just left. So what I've been doing instead is basically leaving it crisp. I'll slightly blend it out a little, but I'm typically just combing through my brow hairs instead of blending out my product because I like the way the Goof Proof stays.
What the fuck, Astro?
Look at them brows. Those are perfect. So I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Soft Glam because we're doing a soft glam look. Why not? All right, so I'm gonna go over my whole lid with these 2 shades. Now I'm gonna take the orange soda and I'm gonna put this all over my lid. We're gonna do like smoked liner, so we're gonna make this be cute. And I'm taking a little bit of tempera too, because I kind of want to brighten this up a bit. Lost my eyeliner. I'm using Wet n Wild eyeliner, but I'm only doing a really thin line because we're gonna smoke her out into my eyeshadow.
What the fuck, Astro?
So I did a really thin line and I'm gonna go in with the black and the brown together. I'm gonna start with the black and I'm gonna go directly on top. And you're just gonna smoke that out, basically. I hope you can see that. I'll zoom this in so it makes it easier. All right, now I'm gonna line my lips with the KKW. This is Nude 3. I've made like the perfect lip combo with this lip liner. And then for the lipstick, I'm using Morphe's Comet. And this is like the perfect like nude brown.
What the fuck, Astro?
And for gloss, I'm just going on top of it with Madeline from the Butter Glosses. I really can't believe this turned out as cute as it did. I'm about to put some eyelashes on and go.